Hey folks, welcome back to Ed's Garage. So, just got a request to do a video on how to install a dash cam into your IONIQ 6. So, I'm going to show you real quick, because it's already installed. I'm going to show you real quick how I did it. First off, get yourself some plastic pry tools. These guys here are super handy for, prying apart little bits of plastic and stuff in the vehicle without causing any damage or scratches. But anyway, let's get started. So my dash cam is located to the left of the blacked out section here, just behind the rear view camera. You can see it's hiding right there. It's a dual camera, so it's actually got one facing inwards. Let's have a look on the inside. And there it is there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on so you can see what it looks like here. All right, there it is coming up. So you can see it's got, it just showed you the front-facing or rear-facing camera there for a moment. But anyway, that's where it is. So, how do we run the wires? Well, basically what I did was I kind of tucked it in here. Okay, you can see a little bit of it right there. Tucked it in there, pretty easy. Pushed it in behind the headliner there. Right here you can see it's got a little GPS antenna sticking out. And then tucked it into here. Now, here was the first place that I used the plastic pry tool, so you can kind of get in there and pull it apart. Just really carefully. I mean, these are a little bit loose, so you can kind of get in pretty easily. Made it come around this way, and then I stuck it underneath the rubber seal. So you can see this seal, you can kind of peel this back, and I kind of pushed it in there. You can see a little bit of it. I don't know, well, actually it's kind of dark, but anyway, it's right there. So I kind of tucked it in there all the way down to here. Okay, and then as soon as I got to this location here, I then went in behind this kick panel, and you can actually see it right there. And then I tucked it in under the carpet and ran it all back here. Now here's where mine comes out, okay, because I've got it up there, and then I got some other wires running in behind the console, and I kind of hardwired it to the 12-volt outlet down here. So check out into the description below if you want to hardwire it to this outlet. There's a link to how I did that, because not only am I getting power for the dash cam there, but I've also got another wire right here that's getting power to my wireless Android Auto device right there. So in case you're wondering, yeah, that's why I did it that way. But if you didn't, what you can then do is you can run the wire just over this little spot here, and then it basically would just peek out. If you're lucky, you might be able to tuck it in there, but this spot is quite tight. And then you just plug it in directly into there. So all dash cameras, they'll come with a 12-volt power outlet. You just plug it right into there. That's probably the easiest way. But if you want to hardwire it, do so. Check out the video in the description below. And that's it. So that's all there is to it. Yeah, I figured just do a real quick video just by request. And that's how you can do that. If you have any comments or if you have any better ideas, don't forget to write them down in the comment section below. Actually, there is one other way you can do it that's pretty easy, actually. Today, somebody posted on the IONIQ group, IONIQ 6 group on Facebook, there's actually a little plugin that you can get that connects to the back of the mirror. I'm not sure exactly. I don't think it connects there, but you can see this wiring for the mirror right here, and it kind of goes up into here. So if you were to pull this stuff off, pull that off, you can kind of bridge off of this wire here to provide power for the dash cam. But it does require a little bit of disassembly in there. And it just pulls power from the rearview mirror. These are auto dimming rearview mirrors. So yeah, that would, it's another way of doing it. But anyway, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to check out that other video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.